This is our baby's nursery. It's a lot. And I have a big dream for this room.
So we're starting from zero. The theme, warm, minimalist, cozy. Every detail has to feel like home.
And just like that, we have a blank canvas. Now comes the fun part, building the crib. Step 1, erasing the ugly stage. This paint changed everything. It's already feeling better in here. Well, he's building the crib and I'm supervising. This part took a while, but it was so worth it. Next, we created my favorite part, the cozy corner for those late night feeds. This plush rug just made the entire room feel warm. It's all about building those soft, cozy textures. Now for the aesthetic details. We kept the walls simple with just a few cute, minimalist art pieces. And my favorite part, putting the first book on the shelf and the first tiny pair of shoes. Okay, it's finally done. From an ugly, empty room to our dream. Okay, the moment is finally here. Welcome to our dream nursery. This is the centerpiece, the crib. We wanted it simple, minimalist, and just peaceful. This is my spot, the cozy corner, all ready for those 3 a.m. wake-up calls.
Every little detail was picked with so much love. The art, the first book, the tiny, tiny shoes. From an ugly, empty room to a home. It's not just a nursery. It's our promise to our baby.
I am so in love with how this turned out. It's more than I ever dreamed of for our baby. What do you think? If you loved this makeover, please subscribe to I've the Lady for more aesthetic mom life.